Welcome students, welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specifications. So in this lecture, we'll solve one numerical example on analysis of rates. Okay. In previous classes, we have seen in detail theory about analysis of rate and what all the requirements which we will be needed while solving this numerical examples on analysis of rates. Okay, so let us see the question which is given to us. So this is the question, you can look at your screens. So the question is as follows: find the rates of the following items required for a building. Okay, what we need to do, find the rates of the following building. Rates in the sense, this is nothing but rate analysis or analysis of rate. So this question is on analysis of rates. Analysis of rates. Find the rates of the following items required for a building. So in the first what we need to find out, the first thing is first class brickwork in superstructure in cement. This is the super in the sense superstructure. Here the meaning of super is nothing but superstructure. What is superstructure? Superstructure is nothing but above plinth level. Okay, suppose this is our foundation. This is our foundation. This is our plinth area. Above plinth area, whatever above plinth. Above plinth, whatever construction we have, okay, that comes under superstructure. That comes under superstructure. So first class brickwork in superstructure in cement mortar. The ratio of cement mortar is given 1:4. 1 is for 1:4. 1 is cement, 4 is fine aggregate or sand. We call it as sand. 1:4 for 10 meter cube. Here 10 meter cube quantity is given. So brickwork quantity is how much? 10 meter cube. It is given in our problem. Next, 1:2:4 cement concrete. 1:2:4. 1:2:4. What do we mean by CC? Cement concrete. So this is nothing but cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. 1:2:4. Okay, required for slab and beam for 10 meter cube of RCC work. We don't need RCC detail. We need not need reinforced detail. We just need cement concrete detail. That too which is needed for slab and beam, whose total quantity is how much? 10 meter cube. Whose total quantity is 10 meter cube. This is also given to us. Where we are placing the cement concrete in slabs and beams. What is the total area of that slabs and beam? That is nothing but 10 total volume of those slabs and beams is 10 meter cube. Okay. This is nothing but the following considerations we need to see. Sometimes what happens, this data is optional. It will be given to our given in our external examinations, or we need to assume this data. Okay, don't completely rely on this data, so that by thinking that it will be given in your question papers. Sometimes what happens in external examinations is nothing but sometimes they give this data, or sometimes you have to assume it. These are nothing but standard rates which we get it from schedule of rates book. Okay. So what all specifications is given to us? Sand is rupees 350 rupees per meter cube. Aggregate 800 rupees per meter cube. Cement, the cost of cement is 320 per bag of 50 kg. Mixing of mortar, rupees 50 per cubic. Cubic in the sense, wherever you find this CUM, cubic, it is nothing but meter cube. The meaning of QM is meter cube. Standard bricks, see this data is important, this will be very useful to us. Standard bricks 20,000 rupees 20,000 for 500 numbers, 5,000 numbers, rupees 20,000 per 5,000 numbers. Steel rupees 40,000 per ton. Okay, the rate of steel is 40,000 per ton. First class mason, the wage of first class mason is nothing but rupees 500 per day. Man mazdoor 400 per day. Woman mazdoor 350 per day. Bar bending, rate of bar bending is given, that is nothing but 15 rupees per kg. Centering and shuttering 350 rupees per meter cube, 350 rupees per meter cube. So this is nothing but the data given to us for solving this analysis of rate. So by using this data for these two works, that is nothing but A and B, we need to say what will be the total cost of first class brickwork in superstructure for 10 meter cube of brickwork in cement mortar 1:4 and 10 meter of cement concrete in slabs and beams for 1:2:4 mixed design. So let us start. See, we will categorically will write this description. So you need to draw this table. Okay. So if you draw this table, what happens is the calculations will be easy and descriptions will be more comfortable. Okay. So first of all, we'll start with first what we need to determine first class brickwork in superstructure. First class brickwork. Okay. So our serial number is now 1. Serial number 1. Okay. So we'll say this A. Okay. Let us term it as A. A naught. A naught. Okay. 1 A naught. Okay. What is the description? Brickwork. First, what we will find out? Brickwork. What is the quantity? Quantity of brickwork is given in the question, which is nothing but 10 meter cube. It is already given in question. So how much quantity we need? 10 meter cube we need. Okay. How many bricks we required? In earlier class, what we have discussed? In earlier class, we have seen that for 1 meter cube of concrete, we required 500 bricks. Okay. What we have discussed? For 1 meter cube of brickwork, we required 500 bricks of size 9 inches into 4 inches into 3 inches. This is nothing but standard size of our brick. So how many brick we required? 500 bricks we required for 1 meter cube of brickwork. Similarly, for 10 meter cube of brickwork, how many numbers we required? For 1 meter cube, 500. For 10 meter cube, how many we required? 5,000 we required. This clause we have seen in our previous class. Okay. What is the rate of this 5,000 bricks? Rate of 5,000 brick is, it is given over here. What it is given over here in the question? Standard bricks 20,000 per load, means 5,000. For 5,000 bricks, the cost is how much? 2,000. Now 20,000 rupees. For 5,000 bricks, for 5,000 bricks, cost is 20,000. Okay. So the rate of 1 brick will be how much? 4 rupees. Rate of 1 brick. 4 rupees. So again 4 into 5,000 number of bricks, the amount will be obviously same, 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. This is nothing but cost of our brickwork. Okay. This is nothing but how much brick we need to, description A naught, that is nothing but how many bricks we need to buy. Okay. Next one is nothing but A1. After A naught, let us see A1. Okay, what is brick? For brickwork, the first one was for brick 1, the description was for brick. Now cement mortar, now it is cement mortar. Okay, how much quantity we required? We required cement mortar is nothing but 30% of brickwork. We have one clause. What is the clause? Mortar is equal to 30% of brickwork. So 30% of 30% means divided by 100 into brickwork. How much quantity of brickwork we have? 10 meter cube into 10. So how much it is? 3 meter cube. That is nothing but 3 meter cube, which is equal to which is equal to 3 meter cube. Okay, so in this 3 meter cube we required cement and sand. In this 3 meter cube, what we required? We required cement and sand, and mixing charges also we need to include. So again, what we need to include here? Cement, sand and labor charges, mixing charges and labor charges. Now let us go for A2. What we will in the cement mortar, 3 meter cube of volume we have got. Now we will talk about cement. How much cement we need? Okay, for 3 meter cube, okay, what we know? To calculate the proportion of cement, cement proportion is 1:4. So how much it is? 1/1 plus 4. Okay, into volume of concrete. What is volume of concrete? Volume of cement mortar? 3. So 3/7. 3/5. This is nothing but volume. This is nothing but ratio. Cement is cement plus sand ratio. This is for cement thing. 3/5, which is equal to 0.6, which is equal to 0.6 meter cube. Okay, if we convert this 0.6 meter cube into kg, convert this 0.6 meter cube into kg, we get how to convert this? If we multiply 0.6 into density of concrete, density of cement 1440, we get it in kg, which is equal to 864 kg. 864 kg. When 864 is divided by 50 kg, we get number of bag, which is equal to around 18 bags, which will be around 18 bags. So quantity, how much quantity we need? 18 bags we need. Bags we need. What is the rate of each bag? It is given in our question. 320 rupees per bag. 320 rupees per bag. See here, data is given to us. 320 rupees. Substitute that. 320 rupees per bag. So 18 into 320, the amount will be 5760. The amount will be 5760 rupees. 5760 rupees. 5760 rupees. Now similarly, what we need to find out? Sand, quantity of sand. A3. What is our A3? Sand. So the quantity of sand, similarly, how much? 4 by 5. Sand is equal to 4 by 5 into volume is 3 meter cube. So what will be the value for this? 4 by 5 into 3, it is approximately 2.4 meter cube. 2.4 meter cube. So what is the quantity? How much quantity of sand is required? 2.4 meter cube of sand is required. And what is the cost of sand? It is given over here, 350 rupees per meter cube. The rate of sand is 350 rupees per meter cube. So write down over here, 350 rupees per meter cube. Per meter cube. Multiply 2.4 into 350. The value will be 2.4 into 350 is 840 rupees. The value is 840 rupees. Okay. Now next is, we have got in cement mortar, what else is remaining? Bricks is done, cement is done, sand is done. Now next is mixing. Mixing quantity is how much? 3 meter cube. What is the quantity of cement mortar? 3 meter cube is the quantity of cement mortar. So write down 3 meter cube. What is the rate of mixing? Look at in the question, mixing mortar, rupees 50 per meter cube. Rupees 50 per meter cube. So 3 into 50 is 150 rupees. 150 rupees. Okay. Rate is given. No remarks is needed. Now next is nothing but labor required. How much labor is required? A5. The last is nothing but labor. Labor required. How much labor is required? Okay. It is given that in we have in yesterday's class we have seen that for 2. In yesterday's class we have seen that for 2.33 meter cube, 2.33 meter cube of brickwork, we required 2 1/4 mason. We required 2 1/4 mason. Similarly, so then for 10 meter cube, how much we required? For 2.33 meter cube, we required 2 1/4 masons. If you cross multiply this, you will get the values. The first one is mason. First one mason. So mason for 2.33 meter cube, 2 1/4 masons are required. What is our quantity? Our quantity of brickwork is 10 meter cube. For 10 meter cube is how much? For 10 meter cube, how much? If you cross multiply this, you will get the value as 8. You will get the value as 8. So we required about 8 numbers of mason. Similarly, second is mazdoor. Mazdoor for 2.33 meter cube, 2.33 meter cube mazdoor, we required around 5 mazdoors. For 10 meter cube, how much? So if we cross multiply this, we will get the value as 18. We will get the value as 18. 18. So the cost of one mason, the rate of one mason and rate of one mazdoor is given. First class mason is nothing but 500 rupees per day, whereas man mazdoor is 400 rupees per day. It is given 500. This is nothing but 400 rupees. So we required around 5, we required about 8 masons. So 8 into 5, how much it is? 8 5s are 4000 rupees, and this 4 into 18, this 4 into 18, 7200 rupees. So we'll include this rate. So 8 5s are 4000, 8 into 5000, it is nothing but 4000 rupees, and 18 into 4 is 7200 rupees. Okay, so this was all about the cost for brickwork. This is for cost of brickwork. So this first one we have finished it. First class brickwork we have finished this. This A part is completed now. A part is completed. Now look at this B part. 1:2:4 cement concrete required for slab and beam. Okay, for 10 meter cube of RCC work. 10 meter cube of RCC work. So we will do this in B section. Okay, we will term it as B. It is nothing but concreting. 1:2:4. Okay, how much? What is the quantity for that in beams and slabs? Okay, beams and slabs. What is the quantity? It is given 10 meter cube. 10 meter cube of quantity, it is already given in problem. Okay, 10 meter cube is given to us. So we know that in remarks. Okay, 1 meter cube of wet concrete requires 1.52 meter cube of dry materials. Dry materials. So similarly, we'll go for this calculation. We have 1:2:4. One is cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So we need the quantity of cement as 1/7. So cement is 1/7. We need the quantity of the ratio for coarse aggregate will be 2/7, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate will be 4/7. Okay. Now let us see first the things about cement. In concreting, what we required? We required cement. So first B1. Okay, this was nothing but B0. Now we will see B1. Okay, B1 is cement. Cement in concrete. Quantity we will find out. Okay, so what is the quantity? 1/7 into 1.52 into 10 meter cube. So we will get the value as 2.17 meter cube. 2.17 meter cube. Now if we multiply 2.17 into density of concrete cement 1440, we will get it in kgs. That is nothing but 3127 kg. 3127 kgs. So if we divide 3127 divided by 50 kg, we will get the quantity of bags. We will get the quantity of bags, which is equivalent to 63 bags. Which is equivalent to 63 bags. So what is the quantity? 63 bags of cement we required. How much we required? 63 bags. What is the rate? 320 rupees per bag. 320 rupees per bag. So if we multiply 63 into 320, the value will be 20,160 rupees. 20,160 rupees. Okay. So now similarly B2. B2 will be our fine aggregate or sand. B2 fine aggregate. How to calculate the volume of fine aggregate? Similarly, what is the ratio for fine aggregate? 2/7 into 1.52 into 10, which will be equivalent to 4.34 meter cube. 4.34 meter cube. This is our quantity of fine aggregate. This is our quantity of fine aggregate. 4.34 meter cube. The rate is already given to us in our question. What it is? 350 rupees per meter cube. 350 rupees per meter cube. 350 rupees per meter cube. Multiply 4.34 into 350. The value will be 1520. The value will be 1520 rupees. Now next, coarse aggregate. Now we have coarse aggregate also. Coarse aggregate. So in coarse aggregate, what is the value? 4/7 into 1.52 into 10 is equal to, what will be the value? 8.68 meter cube. So this is nothing but our quantity, 8.68 meter cube. Rate is given to us. What is the rate of coarse aggregate? 800 rupees per meter cube. Multiply 8.68 into 800. It is 6948 rupees. ₹6948. After this, mixing charges. B4, mixing charges. How much? What is the quantity of concrete? 10 meter cube. Okay. How much it will? How much they are charging? Okay. Mixing charges is nothing but 50 rupees per meter cube. 50 rupees per meter cube. Include this detail. So this will be around 50 rupees per meter cube is the charges. Look at the questions once again. Mixing mortar rupees 50 per meter cube. Yes. $50 into 10, 500 rupees. Which is already given to us. There is a small correction over here. This is not 10 meter cube. This is the volume of wet concrete. Volume of dry concrete is how much? Volume of dry concrete will be, if we multiply it with 1.52, it will be how much? 15.2 meter cube. 15.2 meter cube. So 15.2, we need to include 15.2 meter cube. 15.2 into 50, the value will be 760 rupees. The value will be 760 rupees. The value is 760 rupees. The value is 760 rupees. Now last B5 will be our labors. Labors required. Okay, as we know that in the labors we have two categories, one is mason and the another is man mazdoor. What it says, how many masons are required? Mason, mazdoor. For 2.33 meter cube of concreting, we required half mason. We required half mason. So for 15.2 meter cube, how much we require? Sorry, for 10 meter cube, how much we required? For 10 meter cube, how much? If we cross multiply this, we will get the number of masons as approximately 2 masons. We required 2 masons. Similarly, mazdoor for 2.33 meter cube, we required around 7.5 mazdoors. So for 10 meter cube, we require how much? If we cross multiply this, we will get the value around 27. We will get the value around 27. The rate of mason is 500 rupees. The rate of mazdoor is 400 rupees. So this will be around 1000 rupees is for first one, and the next is 10,800. It will be approximately 10,800 rupees. 10,800 rupees. Now, if we calculate all these values, which values? So this we have completed for this B part. B part is done. Now we need to add this and tell the total rate, and we need to quote the total rate. So what we need to do? We need to add this all data. We need to add this all data. Which data? Add A0 plus A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A1 we don't have any rate for this. A1 we don't have. Remove this. We don't have. A0 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus again B0 we don't have any data. B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. We need to add all these rates to get the total value. So the total will be, total is, if we all this add this all this, the total is 79,638 rupees. 638 rupees. We need to add 10% contractor's profit and add 10% contractor's profit. Profit plus 10 by 100 into 79,638 rupees. So the total will be 87,602 rupees. 602 rupees. So this is nothing but our final estimated price. This can be our final estimated price. In rare condition, what we add is we add 1.5% in the head of for contingency charges. What do you mean by contingency? Is hidden charges. So we can add what is a 1.5% of this 7963, 1.5% of 79,638 will be how much? 1195 rupees. 1195 rupees. So if we add this total, the final total will be 88,797 rupees. 88,797 rupees. So this was nothing but analysis of rates. This is nothing but analysis of rates of the following items. If the brickwork and cement concrete 1:2:4 cement concrete is required for slab and beam for 10 meter for 10 cubic meter of RCC work. This is nothing but our rate estimate. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.